So yeah, by now you're probably familiar with focus mode. It allows you to focus obviously on your work, your studying, or even gaming when you're in the gym. And there's a really cool addition to focus mode, and that is that you have the possibility to add wallpapers, and a lot of people are using focus modes to change their wallpaper. And I'd like to quickly show you how you can do that on your iPhone. It's pretty easy, and if you have some nice and motivating wallpaper, I'm sure plenty of you will get that extra little boost and punch they need to get to the next level. Let me show you how you can do this. Let me give you a small demonstration of how this could look with the focus modes and then the different wallpapers. So for example, if I go to Control Center now here on the lock screen, we have our focus modes. I made some examples here, but let's say I want to have my personal wallpaper, then you just click on the personal focus mode and boom, automatically the wallpaper changes to whatever you've made it. The same goes, for example, for work. You can have your motivational work wallpaper, or even for when you're studying. Another cool option is the one for fitness. Let's say you want to get some extra motivation, you can have a gym or fitness wallpaper just like that. It's just a focus mode that changes your wallpaper instantly, and it also changes your home screen. And if you want, even you have the possibility to fully customize your home screen as well, and with that also the widgets on the lock screen. But for the sake of this video, I'd like to keep things simple here, so we're only going to focus on the wallpaper. So let's say we want to make one of these, one for example for gaming. So let's do that together. So yeah, you need to go to settings first on your iPhone, and then in here scroll to focus, just right there, and in here click the plus icon in the top right. There we go. Now you have the possibility to make a custom one, so you can make this game mode on. You can call this whatever you like, and then select one of the icons. So this is one of the ways you can do this, but sometimes there are also predefined focus modes. So for example, there is already one for gaming. Yeah, we can just select that one, and yeah, you can already have some pre-built focuses that Apple presents to you built in. Yeah, you can see that later on, but it's not very important right now. And then in this screen here, what you need to do is scroll to customize screens, then click on choose. And here you can already select one of your lock screen wallpapers. For example, for gaming, this one would be cool, or maybe even this Game Boy one. But if you want to have something from your camera roll, that's also an option. You just go to Gallery, Photos, and then click all, and here I found this amazing PlayStation 1, and you can add that then to this gaming focus mode. We click add in the top right, but also if you want, you can add your widgets here that are maybe more focused towards your gaming session. Click add, and then what you can do is customize the home screen, or just set the wallpaper pair. Let's say we want to unblur this because it's a pretty nice one, even with apps in front of it. Hit done, and then it's going to be added here on the customized screen. Boom, just like that. You have the wallpaper, and as you can see here, this is more or less what I mentioned with the predefined focus mode preferences that Apple has built in. So when, for example, wireless controller is connected, this focus mode will go on. Well, for us, not really relevant here, so we can turn this off, and that's basically it. So yeah, let me demonstrate how that looks. So for example, we go back to our lock screen, and now we want to change our fitness wallpaper to our newly made gaming one. Boom, just like that. Wallpaper changes to your gaming one. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like this video, and see you in the next one. And if you have any questions or any other suggestions, feel free to drop these in the comments. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Peace.